Here is what we need to show. If we take any complex number z, then its size squared is the same as z times its conjugate. Let's prove this step by step. Let's start by writing z in its normal form. We say z equals a plus bi, where a and b are just regular numbers. Now let's write down the conjugate of z. Remember, to get the conjugate, we just flip the sign in the middle. So a plus bi becomes a takeaway bi. Let's work on the left side first. The modulus, or size, of z is the square root of a squared plus b squared. This is like finding the length of a line. Now we square the modulus. When you square a square root, they cancel each other out. So we get a squared plus b squared. Nice and simple. So the left side gives us a squared plus b squared. Let's keep this and now work on the right side. Now let's work on the right side. We need to find z times its conjugate. That means we put in a plus bi times a takeaway bi. This is a special pattern. When you have something plus something, times something take away something, you get the first thing squared take away the second thing squared. So we get a squared take away bi all squared. Now let's figure out what bi squared is. Bi squared is b squared times I squared. And remember, I squared is -1. So we get negative b squared. Now we put it back in. We have a squared take away negative b squared. But taking away a negative is the same as adding. So we get a squared plus b squared. Now let's look at what we got. The left side is a squared plus b squared. The right side is also a squared plus b squared. They are the same. We did it. We showed that both sides give us the same thing. So the size of z squared really does equal z times its conjugate. This is a super useful fact you will use again and again.